Hey little kids, today I am going to draw for you very interesting things, that is emoji, or you can say smiley. Here I am using a circle object to make the circle properly. You can also use something like this. I will draw 12 circle and then I will draw emoji in that. I will draw different types of emoji like happy, sad, smiley, funny, naughty, etc. So let's see how I am doing this. You should also try with me. I have done to draw all emoji. Now let's color it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, tata bye bye kids.